This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
What if I drew a kitty cat? There we go. What? I can't do that.
Hey, Sammy, what's up? Why are you throwing pencils?
I can't draw anything today, Sue.
Oh, poor thing. Here's an idea. What if we try out some different drawing hacks? I can show you a bunch of them. Want to see?
Fine, but only because you're asking.
Okay, it will give you some inspiration, I promise.
Hey, you drew a watermelon? How inspiring.
Well, we haven't started coloring yet. Bring me some crumpled paper, please. Oh, thanks, and it's just the right size. Now watch me carefully.
Whoa! Now that's what I call real art.
Why, thank you for such a high praise.
This looks awesome! Now I see what you meant when you said hacks!
This way you can create many cool drawings. Check these out.
It's not it. This is wrong too! Quick, Sue! We need more of these life hacks!
For the next one, we need cotton swabs and rubber bands.
I just literally stumbled over them all!
Okay, give it to me. Hey!
No! Catch me, Sue! Oh no! Oh, come on! You are no fun.
Now let me show you an easy way to draw flowers. Let's start with the stems. There we go. And now, we need those cotton swabs.
I also figured out what we're gonna do. We're going to color cotton swabs, right?
No, we not. Look at this. We need to hold them like this to be able to paint with them. So easy and simple, right?
Hey, I want to be a paintbrush too! I even added pink paint. Hurry up, Sue, or the paint will dry out. Yay! This is so much fun! Like this video if you agree. You should try it too, Sue!
Huh, no thanks. But the painting does look great.
Of course it does, and it's all thanks to my amazing paintbrush skills.
And what do you think, friends? Be sure to try this life hack, and you'll get a pretty picture, like this one.
Oh, I can feel my creative juices starting to bubble. Okay, never mind.
What's wrong? Why'd you stop?
It's not. A lot of fun to paint just in one color, you know.
Well, a discoloration marker can easily solve this problem. Now, we'll just lean one marker against another and watch this. Do you see how the color changes gradually? Magical, right?
I don't want to look, Sue. You've broken my markers!
Are you sure about that, Sammy?
Whoa! And just like that, regular markers turn into rainbow markers.
All right, for the next life hack, we need a compass and a small canvas. Now I need a pencil with an eraser.
And then she was like, oh, sorry, you can count on me, Sue. Here it is. No, wrong color. Now we're talking. Sue, catch!
Thank you.
What are you doing?
You'll see. Look, friends, we will apply the paint to the canvas with an eraser, like this.
Sue looks way too relaxed over there. I have to shake things up.
And that's how we get a rainbow for your bedroom wall. What is that?
Gotcha.
Oh, Sammy. Hey, this elephant looks kind of alone and bored. But don't worry, I know how to fix that. All we need is paint mixed with water and a straw. Sammy, would you pass me one?
Sure, here you go.
No. I meant a plastic straw. Like this one. Now watch closely.
Oh, and I thought were going to feed the elephant with straw. Hey, I think we need more colors. Here we go, like this.
That's it. Now this elephant will never be bored. I've got one more really cool idea. You will surely love it.
Is it something tasty? Huh, that doesn't look yummy at all.
Please wait until we're done.
Okay.
Let's add some paint to shaving foam and white glue and mix it all really well. And now let's start painting.
Is that the sun? No? An egg yolk? No, a mango?
Yeah, almost. This might give you a hint.
Oh, I got it. It's a pineapple. This way, it will look even more pineapple-y.
And here's the end result. Looks cool, right?
Yeah, it's so yellow and juicy. I want to take a bite.
Why don't you better have a cookie?
Right. Oh, I hope you have more tricks to make those cool drawings.
This time we'll start by tracing a hand.
Are you drawing a turkey like in the preschool? It tickles!
Nice guess, Sammy, but no. We'll draw some bend lines and some flat lines, like this. And of course, we'll add more colors. Here's the result, a cool 3D hand.
Wow, is there a hand in there? Looks so real. High five! Amazing! I want to make something too. Give me a paper. Come on, work! Well, did it work? Hey, how come nothing's imprinted? I thought that would work.
I see what you were doing there, but you'll need a staple. Let me show you how to make one.
Okay, but I'll do the drawing this time. Whoosh!
Great. Now we need to cut it out. By the way, nice flower, Sammy. Now we can start coloring.
Sammy's here! Oopsie!
Sammy, look at this mess.
Sorry, Sue. I just wanted to help, but I guess we can just replace the background.
That's exactly what we'll do. Everything can be fixed, so there's no need to be upset about it. Let's move on. So here's our flower. If we press it against the paper, we'll get its imprint. That's how the stamp turned out. You can make any kind of stamps this way. Just get creative.
I can't decide on the color. Can't we use both at the same time?
That's a thought. Let me show you something. I'll dip the brush into yellow paint first and then carefully into the red one without mixing them. And here is what we can get.
Whoa! Would you just look at that? You're cooler than Michelangelo, Sue.
Thanks, Sam. What do you think, friends? Should we send this to an art gallery?
I can draw a lot more than that. This is going to be the coolest picture. Hey, why doesn't the marker draw? Sue, it's broken.
Relax, it must have dried up. You can't make the old marker new, but I know a pretty cool life hack. Now we need to mix it well and wait.
Are we waiting for it to turn into candy?
No, we'll pour it into a container with a sprayer. And we now have our own spray paint. Let's test it.
And I already made a stencil.
It is really beautiful. Well done, Sammy. Now we'll spray the paint. And check out the result. This picture is not so bright, but it looks marvelous. Now we'll make a mural. We only need the pattern.
I've got it. There. Just what we need, right, Sue?
Great. Now we will hot glue the outlines. Be careful when you work with it, friends. We also need some white glue here.
Let me spread the glue, Sue. You know I'm a pro.
We need to make sure the drawing is visible under the foil. And then we can paint it. Well, what do you say? For the last drawing hack, we need a dropper.
I thought we were already done. What else could be there?
Wait, and you'll see.
Okay.
Here we go. Carefully, one drop at a time.
You always miss Whizcracker.
Chibies?
Chibies!
Let's play Pika.
Yes, we'll find those whizcrackers later. Hello, everybody! You ready to play?
Let's find the piglet!
Quick, Deli! Oh, not that quick! But you'd better hide, both of you. Here come the chibis. Now there's a good hiding place. Hurry up! Oh dear, it's a bit crowded today, isn't it? But you really had better hurry up. The chibis are really close. Right, third time lucky. Oh no! You still haven't found a hiding place, Piplings. Yes, it's very funny, but you've got to hide. At least there aren't any more Piplings to bump into. They're not far away, chibis. At last, a hiding place big enough for all of you. But I'm worried about those ears, Lau Lau.
It's Lau Lau! Found you!
Lau Lau.
Look!
Noctog's here!
You've been found, Knock Tock.
Found you, Deli!
Deli.
Yo Jojo!
And Yo Jojo. You've found them all. And the Piplings love being found. Look how happy they are. Where were we? Ah, yes. Yo Jojo wanted to see whizcrackers.
Sorry, Yo Jojo and Chibies. No Whizcrackers now. Whizcrackers. Piplings and Chibies make Whizcrackers.
Really?
With bongle seeds. Knock Tock show you.
A bongle seed whizcracker? That's amazing! Another one!
Look at that!
I love these bongle seed whizcrackers. Do you, Yo Jojo? I think he does.
Bumblebee seeds make great Whizzy Bongles. We can get some more.
Whizzy bongles, that's a great name for them. Yes, let's get lots of them. Lots! Oh, there's some there. They'll make great whizzy bongles. Take them back to the Piplings, Chibis. Here's Knock Tock's anything machine. It's always useful. Pull that lever, Knock Tock. Up the whizzy bongles go! Wait a minute. It's that sound again. It's Yogo! Yes, I could do with some yoga to calm me down after all those whizzing whizzy bongles. Floating?
You try.
Well, you piplings might find this one easy. You really can float. But I wonder if I can. The cheebies can? So let's see. I lie on my tummy, lift my arms and my legs. Look, I'm floating. We're all floating together.
Magic bird.
Now that sounds interesting. How do you do a magic bird? You flop forward. Well, I can do that. Then you flap your arms. Well, I can do that too. Just like a bird. Flap, 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 flap.
Surfer!
Now that sounds really exciting. Surfing is when you stand on a special board and ride on top of the waves. Look, Yo Jojo's doing it. We're all doing it. Wow, the piplings are surfing on the Narabugs. Look at them. Whee! I'm riding along on the waves. Better not fall into the water. Wasn't that amazing? I loved it. Hello again, everyone. Hello, Yo Jojo.
Let's play Wizzy Bongles again. But need bongleberries to make Wizzy Bongles. And all gone. Don't worry, Yo Jojo gets some.
I do hope Yo Jojo can find more bongleberries. Oh, wait a minute!
Look at that! Yo Jojo, quick! Where's Cracker?
Hurry, Yo Jojo!
Yo Jojo! Yo Jojo.
Gone again. Oh, dear.
Where's Cracker? Gone. Poor Yo Jojo. Yo Jojo need to see Whizcracker. Play Wizzy Bongles again? No. But Yo Jojo like Wizzy Bongles. But Yo Jojo really want to see Whizcracker.
Aha!
Whizcracker!
They're here! And Yo Jojo's seeing them!
Yo Jojo see Whizcrackers at last. Whizcrackers make Yo Jojo happy.
And we know what happens when a pipling feels happy.